Welcome to Chapter 4, Intermediate Linux Storage and File Systems Management. This is a critical skill for any system administrator. In this chapter, we dive deep into the techniques required to efficiently manage storage in a Linux environment. Our main objective is learning how to provision, maintain, and secure system storage using a variety of industry-standard tools and concepts. We will cover standard GPT partitioning, logical volume management, advanced layers like Stratus and VDO, and ensure persistent file system mounting. Let's start with standard disk partitioning, focusing on the modern GUID partition table or GPT. GPT is the modern standard, replacing the legacy MBR system. Key advantages include support for disks larger than 2 terabytes and up to 128 partitions on Linux. To work with partitions, we typically use one of two main tools, fdisk or parted. Use fdisk for quick, interactive GPT partitioning. However, parted is preferred for command line scripting and when dealing with extremely large disks. Now, let's execute a step-by-step example using the powerful parted utility to partition a new disk, say /dev/sdb. The process involves launching parted with the disk identifier and then using various commands within the interactive interface. First, we set the disk label to GPT. Then, we use the mkpart command to define the start and end points for our new primary partitions. While standard partitioning is essential, complex systems demand more flexibility. This leads us to the advanced concepts. Up next, we will dive into logical volume management, or LVM, which allows us to create flexible, easily resized volumes spanning multiple physical disks. That wraps up our section on GPT partitioning. Understanding these basics is the foundation for all subsequent storage management topics.